Hello and welcome to Vec P&E. We're out in the shop on this rainy day. Well, I say rainy day. You know, it's intermittent. 1 minute it's raining, next minute it's not. You know, just the way it is. Just starting to start raining again now. Anyway, what am I doing? Well, I gotta say, I decided we're gonna need some time with the grandson. As you can see, we got the table saw out. What can we be building? Well, there's the front of it. I think we're building a birdhouse. I ain't got no plans, you know, I'm just winging it by ear. I knocked two of them up, made a perch, put it on. Didn't have any dowels, so I came up with something, you know, put on front of it, make a perch. Anyway, that's the base that it's sitting on. That's going to be fitting in there. I got the side pieces cut. Don't know if you can see that. I'll put a square on it, then you can see it better. See? Got that cut on a slight angle for the roof. It's just going to slope straight back. A little bit of overhang at the front. Pilot drilled everything. So all the grandson has to do is pop a nail in there, nail it together. And of course, I'm going to come back behind him later on, screw it, put some screws in it, hold it there together properly. But anyway, we got a base. That'll go on there, something like that. The side. The side. The front. Just in a mistake I made. I need to take the perch off and sit it on the other side. I got the top of it cut at a 5-degree angle. That way it'd match up. It needs to be that way. As you can see, you know, it'll line up a little bit better. Put it the other way around. So I need to take that screw out, switch that perch around for the front. Like I say, I've got all the side pieces. Got 3 of them. 4, counting that one. Got a roof. Got a back. I ain't figured out yet how I'm going to attach it to the tree. But anyway, you know, just spending a little time with the grandson. He wants to build a birdhouse. So I got the table saw out, cut all the pieces for him. Now all he has to do is put it all together. And I don't know when that's going to happen. Because one of the daughter's friends turned up and she brought her kids around with her. And they've gone off fishing. I think that's where they're going anyway. I think they said they were going off fishing. But anyway. That's what Vec P&E's doing today, having a little chooch in his shop. You know, it's just the way it goes. Use the router table over there to help make the perches to round the pieces off. You know, look, I've got a beer fridge in here too. Vec P&E's building birdhouses. Of course, I've got to find some way of staining them. I don't know what I'm going to use yet. I don't know if he wants to paint it. I'm going to stain it. I don't know what we're going to do yet. What a way to be spending a Sunday with your grandkids, you know. It's what it is. And now they're not here to put everything together, so we're at a standstill at the moment till he gets back. And then I'll guess I'll make a part 2. We're filming Jackson putting it all together, and then you can see what it all comes out like. Yeah. Anyway, Rick P&E out in the shop, getting shit together to build a birdhouse or 2. That's what Vic P&E's doing. Staying busy, out in the shop, enjoying life. Maybe soon I'll have an update on what my work situation is, but you know, I ain't gonna know till later on. Hopefully I'll hear something this week. There might be something new coming up on the channel, I don't know. Because I'm after trying to get back into truck driving. So, you might end up getting truck driving vlogs if I get a job and get going again on the road. It won't be a little bit different. You'll see front end of a truck instead of a front end of a bike. But you know, it'll still be the same thing, driving down the road talking to myself. End of the day, that's what it's all about, doing vlogs. Look, little fuckers are out on the porch. Look at them. The little puppies. Not so little anymore. Look at the little girls. Look at the little girls. Yeah. Little girls on camera. Playing in the rain. Yeah, playing in the rain. There's Stella. That one's Artie. Artois. Stella. Artois. Stella. Artois. Ah, ain't that a beer? Yeah, I think it is. Stella and Artois, named after a beer. I guess you could say I've been drinking quite a bit. Damn, the old girl's getting dirty. She needs a fucking clean again. Oh well. Like I say, nothing's changed on the bike. Ain't nothing new. Anyway, Rick P&E's heading back inside. I'll edit this video, get some up. Like I say, the shop's still open at the moment. Waiting for company to leave, and then we can get Jackson out of here and put his birdhouse together. Anyway, catch you all soon, everybody. Catch you in part 2 of the grandson birdhouse build. Catch you soon. Bye bye.